Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy to be here. I'm glad to be here, General Trias Cavite. And I'm Jim Ryan Ross. I'm the lead makeup mentor of Aces and Queens, the premier beauty pageant camp in the Philippines. Very glad to be here to share little techniques and knowledge for hair and makeup. And hopefully, at the end of the workshop, we'll have some hands on and we'll be able to help you during your pageant journey. Again, it's a beauty pageant, so we will be discussing the beauty pageant look, right? So let's start with facial shapes. If you are square face, medyo pagka nagkalaman ka, mabilis ka maging round face. Ngayon, kung ikaw ay round shape face at wala kang panga, ang contour mo ay sa ilalim naman ng panga. Kapag medyo malapad ang forehead, ang contour hindi across, kundi just the corners of the forehead.
So lip lines, very important, no? Just to create the definition for your lips. Sige, from you smile, stretch, yeah. Stretch and then do a straight line from corner to the other side. And there you go. So I love the shape of the brows, but we can even soften it a bit. Brows are naturally thicker on the inner part. Kaya tayo nagdadagdag sa gilid. I'm looking in your forehead. Ito lang medyo malayo lang ito. So if you decide na banat ka, you might want to do this middle parting or side parting tapos covering this part. So I see your technique in curling. It's really good, but you have to practice good sectioning.
Sa tingin nyo, ano yung mga key na features na you would like to highlight or focus for beauty pageants? The eyes. So that's very important. That's the key. Ito yung pinakamabilis na eyeshadow technique. Ang tawag dito is gradation. Gradation is from dark fading to light. As you can see right now, there's two colors right there, the lid and the highlight.
The lighting is key. So when you're doing your makeup face, the available light that you have. So that will be very important. So you would know the result when it's going to be on stage where there's enough lighting for the pageant, right?